Hey everybody, going to do a quick review on this really cool LED lighting strip that you can buy and put behind your TV. Plugs into the USB of most TVs available that hang on the wall. And what it'll do is provide a nice LED backlight for any TV or monitor for your computer for that matter. These run very cheap. They're about $10 to $15 shipped to your house. Very easy to install, plug and play. It has some adhesive along the back of the LED light strip that will allow it to adhesive to the back side of the TV. And then it does have multiple modes as far as providing an output of different types of light, color light, the way that it strobes or flashes, as well as the brightness level that you can adjust on here as well. So this is the one we're using here by Swift Power. It's like I said, one of the more cheap ones that it works very well though, and I'll give you a demonstration on what it looks like out of the package here, and we'll go ahead and show you what it looks like installed on a TV as well. Here we have the contents of the package. You have the spindle with the LED light strip on it. You can see here it has that adhesive tape on the back, as well as the remote control that it allows you to adjust between the settings of the modes, as well as the color and the brightness. We have some instructions here which provide you the mode instructions. You'll be able to click through the number as it is a pretty simple remote there, so it allows you to understand which one you're going to be going to. It does have a 0.5 volt, 0.5 volt or 5 volt 0.5 amp USB input for power, which is most phone charger inputs that you'll find on the market. What you want to be very careful though is that you're not plugging it into that has anything more than 5 volt or 0.5 amps, perhaps a fast charger of that sort, as it could burn this LED light strip out. And you also have on the back here of the instructions some wiring diagrams. So we're going to plug it in here to my LED lamp, which has a USB charge port, and we'll light it up here and you can see what it looks like, and then we'll get it mounted on the TV. So we have the LED light strip plugged into my LED lamp, which has a USB charge port. So you, like I said, can charge it pretty much with anything as long as it has a correct output, and that does. It's not a fast charge, so we're good at 0.5 amps. But what you'll have here is it starts off in the red mode, and I'm going to click the mode button just to switch between the different modes and show you that it has the capability of doing different types of settings, such as this one is a blink red. It looks like it's blinking green on this one. I'm just going to click through these and try to find some different ones. You see, got blinking blue, blinking white, more of a strobe feature. This is going to be a fade, and sometimes it'll fade between specific colors, be it 3 colors or 7 colors. So you'll have to find one that works specifically for your needs, your applications, perhaps other types of home decor settings or LED lights that you may have running near it. But you also have the option of just the color button, so be able to switch it to one particular color and leave it at that color. So that's kind of nice, and it is RGB obviously, so you get the full spectrum of LED light colors that you're able to get out of the RGB spectrums. And overall, pretty nice little LED light strip for the price. It does a lot of features and does provide a little bit of eye relief for when you are watching TV, to have that backlighting behind a TV, so that's something to keep in mind. It does have a pertinent feature to it for eye relief. And you have the brightness adjustment as well here in this middle button. We'll get up on the TV and show you what it looks like behind the TV itself. We have the LED light strip mounted to the back of the TV. It was fairly simple. What you want to do is take the TV down, put it on a flat surface, go ahead and remove the backing of the adhesive on that LED light strip, and then go ahead and just put it to the outsides of the TV. If you can have it facing towards the wall a bit more, you're going to have a little bit more light displays. It's going to bounce that light off the wall and kind of provide a nice ambient effect that you'll see here. And if I can get into behind the TV here, I'll show you it mounted up here along there. And I also reinforce it with some scotch tape here and there, or duct tape, as it does heat up a little bit, so you want to make sure that you make sure you get it down pretty good there. But if you get a decent strip there of tape holding it, it does help it stay in place. It doesn't come loose and potentially fall off or start sagging, which doesn't provide the equal type of light spectrum or distribution that you're looking from these LED light strips. But overall, again, provides really good eye relief as well as some ambient lighting when you're watching movies or TV, and it's a nice little effect for behind the TV or PC monitor. Especially for under $15, you really can't go wrong. Hope this helps. If somebody has any questions, let us know. Otherwise, we appreciate watching. Till next time, take her easy.